This video will go through how to view classes through self-service and add classes to your cart for registration. First, go to www.tiffin.edu. From here, you'll click on Current Students at the bottom of the page. And then you'll click on Self-Service. On the left-hand side, log in using your Tiffin username and password. You will want to click on Register and then Academic Plan. If you don't have an academic plan, click on What If. Select the period, which should be the year that you started at TU. Make sure the program is TU Undergrad, and then select your degree within this menu. Once you've done that, click Create. So your academic plan is a complete breakdown of all of the courses you need by the time you graduate. If a class has a check mark by it, it means that the class is completed. If a class has an hourglass, it means that you are currently enrolled in the course. To plan for the upcoming semester, select a class that you have not taken. So it should be blank under status. By clicking on the course name, you can see the description of the course, any prerequisites or co-requisites that are required, and when the course is generally offered. For example, this class is offered in the fall and in the spring. To see specific course offerings for the following semester, click on Find Course Sections in the lower left-hand corner. When you get to this page, make sure you're paying attention to the term and the year. For instance, you can see this course is offered in both summer and fall. Take a look at the different days and times that the course is offered, and when you find one that you want to add to your schedule, click the Add button. At any time, you can select View Cart to see what has been added. You want to make sure your cart is created before registration starts for a smooth registration process. If you know what classes you would like to take in the fall, you can also search for each class individually. To do this, you can click at the Search button at the top, and then Section Search. In the course code box, type in the exact course code you're searching for. Do not include any spaces. Since we are looking specifically for fall classes, we'll change the period to 2020 fall and make sure the session is full. Once you've done so, click Search. And again, all of the course offerings should pop up here. Again, make sure you're looking at the session, the days and the times that the course is offered, and when you find a section you like, hit the Add button to add it to your cart. As a reminder, these are the registration dates for summer and fall 2020. Your class standing is based on credit hours completed. Please keep in mind that your advisor has to authorize you for you to be able to register for the next semester, so you should be in communication with your faculty or first-year advisor. If you have a hold on your account, you will not be able to register even if you are authorized. When you go to submit your cart on your specific registration day, if you get an error message while registering, take the problem course out of your cart and register for the rest of the courses. We can work with you remotely to get the other courses added. Lastly, please also remember to check your email regularly for registration reminders. Please keep in mind that we're here to support you, so do not hesitate to reach out to your advisor if you have any questions.